What's up guys, and today we are going to be doing an unboxing figure today, and this is one I got for an early Christmas present from my auntie and my uncle. So his name is Kurt Angle. Get a good look at him. We're going to be unboxing him today, and I'm gonna have fun because this is my first time unboxing, and you can see my face, so kind of move, I don't know, you guys can't really see it well though. So we're going to be doing unboxing on Kurt Angle. Kurt Angle is a he's a gold medalist from the Olympics. He's the Raw general manager. He recently did a match against Baron Corbin. It's funny as. And we're gonna get right into the video. Okay, now we're gonna get right into the unboxing. First, we're gonna look at the figure first. So this Kurt Angle's from Series 59. It says down the bottom here, Series 59. He's from the Elite. So you see on the back, it's got the gold medalist put his WWE Championship on the line against Brock Lesnar at WrestleMania 19. He has won the WWE Champion, the World Heavyweight Champion, and the Intercontinental Championship. Now here's some other figures you can get. You can get Finn Balor, Jason Jordan, Chad Gable, Kurt Angle, which I have, Zack Ryder, and The Miz. Okay, so we've got our trusty scissors over here. We're gonna unbox this. I don't know how to unbox it really. Might be, oh yeah, I found it, never mind. Okay, there's some, okay, gonna try and get the sticky tape out, but if I only had nails. Yeah, I got it. Okay, getting the first bit undone. About to get the figure out. Oh, there we go. Got the Kurt Angle figure out. Now, gonna try and get the rest of the stuff out. So we got this little plate that he can stand on, and you also get some of this art. Sorry, the recording stopped for a second. So we're up to this bit. So we got our this Kurt Angle painting from this guy. I think he put it. Oh yeah, so you slide it in here. I'm just just give me a second. Yeah, you slide it in here, and you and you just place it on. You just place it on here, stick it on. Yeah, I don't want to do that now. Just got that. Now I've got the actual figure. He's got his jacket here, and I'm gonna get the figure out first. I'm probably gonna speed this bit up. Oh no, never mind. Okay, so we got Kurt Angle right here. He's got his 2 gold medals. He's got his red shoes, got his knee pads, got his wrestling uniform on. It says Team Angle. He's got his medals. You want a closer look? His medals. Got this. You got that. You got some of this. Yeah. Now I'm gonna try and get the this thing out. Oh, you see, got his little coat that he wears. I'm gonna try and put it on him now. Yeah, I'll try and do it in front of the camera. Wait, no, I'll wait. yeah, this is quite easy to get on. If you want to get this for Christmas, really recommend this. This is a good figure to get. Yeah, got the jacket on. Looks pretty good in it, to be honest. It's like when he's like, his music plays, he starts walking in, he's got all these entrance gear on, walking, wrestles, not sure where, oh wait, yeah, I'm just gonna get one of my wrists now. Okay, so we got Kane, we got Kurt Angle, left facing, he's got his hoodie. He takes off his hoodie, and then Kane starts attacking him before he gets it off, and what's his name does his angle slam. Angle slams in, he wins the match. Yeah. Okay, I hope you guys were going to enjoy this video today. This is one of my favorite videos, just unboxing the figure, reviewing him. And we've got his painting, we've got his painting, got Kurt Angle, got the box behind him. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe if you are new. I'm trying to hit 20 subscribers before the end of the year. That'd be nice. Anyway, see you guys all in the next video. Peace.